The next MacBook is shaping up to be a major upgrade over the current model. With a new M3 chip, a mini LED display, and a redesigned keyboard, it has the potential to be the best MacBook yet. The M3 chip is the most anticipated feature of the next MacBook. It is expected to be built on a 3nm process and offer significant performance improvements over the M2 chip. This would make the next MacBook a great choice for demanding users, such as creative professionals and gamers. The mini LED display. Another exciting feature of the next MacBook is the mini LED display. Mini LED displays offer better contrast and color accuracy than traditional LCD displays. This would be a great improvement for users who do a lot of photo or video editing. The redesigned keyboard. The current MacBook Air has a butterfly keyboard that has been criticized for being unreliable. The next MacBook is rumored to have a redesigned keyboard, similar to the keyboard on the current MacBook Pro models. This would be a welcome improvement for users who have had problems with the butterfly keyboard. Other features. The next MacBook is also rumored to have a better camera, speakers, and Touch ID. It is also rumored to have a MagSafe charging port, which would make it easier to connect the laptop to a power source. Overall, the next MacBook is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over the current model. With a new M3 chip, a mini LED display, and a redesigned keyboard, it has the potential to be the best MacBook yet. It is sure to be a popular choice for users who are looking for a powerful, versatile, and affordable laptop with a great design. My thoughts. I am very excited about the next MacBook. I think it has the potential to be a great laptop for a wide range of users. I am particularly excited about the M3 chip and the mini LED display. I think these two features will make the next MacBook a much more powerful and versatile machine. I am also glad that Apple is rumored to be redesigning the keyboard. The butterfly keyboard on the current MacBook Air has been a major problem for many users. I am confident that the new keyboard will be more reliable and comfortable to type on. Overall, I am very impressed with the rumors and speculation about the next MacBook. It seems like Apple is really listening to user feedback and making the next MacBook a better machine. I am very excited to see what Apple announces in the coming months. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.